That was awesome.
That's the chocolate milk Mazda Speed 3. Sorry. Yeah, it says trail right there. All right, you guys can fly the wings in here, right?
Yeah, we got it.
All right.
I feel bad for GoPro. They got so Were you announcing?
$30 or something.
I didn't even see a split off trail. I must have had my head down.
It's at the bottom of this hill. Right before we started going up steep.
Because I didn't even see any other path.
It wasn't obvious.
Oh, okay.
The skin on the bottom of his feet must be incredible.
It's all callous.
Yeah. Yeah, foot model is not.
Wow.
Hey, does anyone lose their underwear?
Oh crap, that's mine. Sorry.
Yep. What is it? Guava. I feel like I've heard that before.
You have.
You eat that stuff?
Eat the brains.
It's inside.
I mean, the outside's okay. It's not awesome.
You chew seeds?
Yeah, you can. Or spit them out. Whoever.
You might have one grow inside you, but.
Yeah.
Hey James, what are you doing over there?
It got a little dry over here. I think flying a quad up here would be.
From here? It would be hard to find your way down.
Yeah, like this tunnel just goes straight. Oh, be careful. You okay?
Yep.
I think we're gonna chill here for a second.
You're thinking about it. I know you're thinking.
Oh yeah, I'm always thinking about it. It's doable for sure.
Right? What, fly right here? Awesome. That hole's bigger than a hula hoop.
Well, this whole bit right here is huge.
Oh, I didn't see that one. That'd be pretty cool.
Is it worth it? Is it good footage?
I don't know.
Yes.
Okay.
You can tell us how close we are.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Don't forget where you are.
there.
We'll keep an eye on you. I got good vision.
Oh yeah, I can't see where we are at all.
I got you.
Basically right above us.
Yeah.
Can you see the waterfall from here? Yep. Yep, you're good.
I can't see down at all.
Come down a little bit forward. Forward, down, down, forward. You're good. Oh! We got it.
Made it.
I'm sure it's fine.
You want me to find it?
Those can.
Are you recording?
When we said goodbye, the world turned a darker shade. The dust settled down, stones changed color in the rain, but dark clouds, they turned to white, and sunlight hit my skin. I looked up and saw a new beginning now. 'Cause we came too far to give up. We can take our time and start up new. We'll be dancing through the darkness as long as we'll hold on to each other. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. We'll be fine.
The nope train. I love it.
Trying to fuck this man.
What does that sound? Oh, something's not right. Kill it.
Oh.
We're done with this one.
Pop the motor screws out.
Yeah. You lost the motor screws? I got backup motor screws.
When the cameras aren't on.
It's either a wrong model or
Well,
he
we've been sharing
didn't
radio,
bind
so
it
it might
correctly, and
Okay.
we're sharing the same radio. So
Gotcha.
I don't know.
I mean, in general, what are you doing?
Oh, playing with a leaf.
Wait for it.
Start this thing.
Oh yeah, it's
Let me
lovely.
get a sip of that, dude. Very slick. Lean back a bit.
Otherwise, you're gonna get really wet and your head's gonna hurt a lot. And keep moving. Boy. Is your rear camera face like on? Paul?
No.
That would be awesome. That'd be a good view.
USA FPV. Can you scoot forward just one step?
Yep.
There you go. All right.
All right, Cam.
Here, let me out of here before he.
Oh shit.
Hey, hold on.
Yeah, I think it's way too much.
Ah! Woo!
Work. Yeah, this is the hard one.
I had to leave my shoes back there.
The hard part.
Oh, that's easy.
Oh my god.
That was worth it, boys.
And I can definitely get a wing up this shit. Yeah. Oh yeah, we can get a wing out right here, Steve. First thing I'm doing, I'm losing a GoPro probably.
Is that shockproof tape?
I'm not fucking losing this piece of shit.
Godspeed.
1, 2, 3. Yes, we are, Comey. Yeah, I'm ready to go!
Oh my god.
Alright, I'd say heart's going a little bit.
Oh shit, I can. Oh, that is so epic! I looked in the goggles for a half second.
Oh my god, it sounds amazing.
Keep cranking it, dude. Crank it. All I see is fucking black.
Pull back, left turn now,
You see it?
Yeah, you're good.
You're coming back. Oh my god.
Okay, you're going up and over that hill, so just come back this way.
Here, fucking take it. I'm losing video.
Turn around.
I'm turning. You see it?
No. It's gone, man.
Dude,
You went that way.
I had no idea. It was just black.
Oh no. What's up? She gone.
Seriously?
Oh no.
Why don't you just
Dude, you were going that way, and I was like, turn left.
fucking take the radio?
That sucks.
On.
Oh.
You have video at all?
No, fucking lost video right away. No, I was fucking awful the whole time. I was like, keep cranking.
Yeah, there was little communication. They should just rip them off, dude. That would have been fine.
Cause we came too far to give up. We can take our time and start up new. We'll be dancing through the darkness. As long as we'll hold on to each other, we'll be fine. You left me standing there, lost in a haze. But I cleared my head and realized you're walking away. I followed you and held you tight, and sunlight hit our skin. We looked up and saw a new beginning. Cause we came too far to give up. We can take our time and start up new. We'll be dancing through the darkness. As long as we'll hold on to each other, we'll be fine. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. Oh, 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 oh.
How your GoPro when recording? Okay, somebody want to hand this around? I'll go down. I'm gonna try to go down this way.
You and that? Remember the racecraft process? Like a bread.
On the back and slide it. Let go. Yeah.
Pull out. Got it? And you can lean back kind of if you have a big
Yeah,
grip.
use the rope to your advantage.
Oops.
Dude, if they would have got stuck up there, that would have been awesome.
You going now? Off the boat. It's kind of straight down from where your foot is now. Just put pressure on there.
Dave's gonna throw a prop to you.
Don't get too far over there. There you go. Okay. Settle in. Just use the rope a lot and get your back into it. Step to the right. There you go. And then scale to the right.
Whoop.
Right. Yeah, I know. You touch that rock that's coming out of the water there. There you go. Nicely done, sir.
All right, we're all done flying at this amazing spot. That was probably one of my favorite FPV experiences ever, so thanks for coming along for the ride.